Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell a coin at launch in Binance. So let's get started. The very first step is to go to Binance.com, and once you are here at the official website of Binance, you have to click on buy crypto and then select the payment method with which you would like to receive the funds. So let's go with P2P trading. So this is the kind of screen that you will see. Now, depending on the country where you are from, select the fiat currency in which you want to receive the fund. As I'm from Pakistan, it's showing PKR. So let's suppose if you want to receive funds in US dollars, you can change it from here. So let's try to sell the Bitcoin. So the very first thing you need to do is select sell option from here and select the coin which you want to sell. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select BTC coin. Now you can select the payment method with which you want to receive the funds. So for the purpose of this video, let's go with bank transfer. So now here you can see all the merchants and you can select any of them, but the thing you should consider is their number of orders and completion rate, because you do want to enter in a trade with someone who already have completed few orders and have good completion rate. So once you are okay with this, click on sell BTC. Now here you want to add the amount you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 0.2 BTC, and according to current market rate, I am going to receive this amount in US dollars. So now you have to set payment method by giving your bank details and then click on sell BTC, and that's how you can sell a coin in Binance.